Good morning class, myself Rajni Madhukar and once again welcome you to your online classes. Now student, we continue our work and I hope you are doing your all the writing work at home, and I expect from your side you are reading the chapter in front of the mummy and papa, and if you have any difficulty call me. I hope you are doing this thing. And now student, we continue our work. The work is writing work of the chapter number 15. In this chapter, in the last lecture we already completed which thing, that is the new words and book exercise. We completed this work. We done this? Yes. Now after that, what is given in the chapter? That is the question answer, and we write the question answer of this chapter today. And I hope you completed your new words of the chapter number 15 in the notebook. Okay, so this is the question answer, and what is given in the question? First we read all the questions. Okay, the questions given in the book, the page number is 105. What is given in the first question? First we write the chapter number. Chapter number 15. And what is the chapter name? The water and its form. Water and its forms. Clear? This is the chapter name. Now student, in this chapter we completed our new words, and today we will write the question answer. Write the question number 1. First we write heading, answer these questions. Answer these questions. This question given in the page number 105. What is the page number? 105. And that is the question number E in the textbook. Okay. Now, what is given in the first question? In the first question, they will ask, what are the various sources of water? What is the meaning of this question? Which thing, from which thing we get water? किन जगहों से हमें पानी मिलता है? From which place we get water? The place is the name of, we give the name. Already we given the name. River, lake, pond, well. Clear? So we write the answer of this question. First, write number 1. Write the question. What are the various sources? VARIOUS. Various sources of water. This is the question. What are the various sources of water? What is the answer of this question? Think about it. Name of the source of the water. What are the sources of the water? The various rain. Now number 2. Number 2 is groundwater. Now the number 3, wells. Number 4, tube wells. Tube wells. Now after the 4 write number 5, but I have no space here, that's why I am writing this side. Number 4 is hand pumps. HANDPUMPS, hand pumps. This is the 5th number. What is the question? What are the various sources of the water? The various sources of the water are rain. Number 2, groundwater. GROUNDWATER, groundwater. Now the 5th number is wells. 3rd number is wells. 4th number is tube well. TUBWELL, tube well. Now the 5th number is hand pumps. HANDPUMPS, hand pumps. These are the sources of the water. If you want to click a screenshot, you take it. अगर आप इसकी स्क्रीनशॉट लेना चाहते हो तो ले सकते हो. Okay, student. So I revise this question. In this question, what the question? Various sources of the water. So you have to write the sources of the water here. Now what is given in the second question? See the question. Second number. What is the second number? In which 3 forms does water exist? Means here we write the name of the 3 forms of the water. Clear? So write the question. In which 3 forms does water exists? The answer of this question: water exists three forms. The name of the three forms are: number one, what are the three forms? Solid, that is the example of the solid is ice. Liquid, plain water, that is found in the nature. And now the third one is gas. If you boil the water, we get vapor. That is the third form of the water. Clear? So write the name. First is solid, solid. Now the second form is liquid, now the third number is gas. These are the three forms of the water. What is the second question? In which three forms does water exist? Water exists in three forms. The name of that form is solid, liquid and gas. Write this as small. Solid, liquid and gas. These are the three forms of the water. If you want to take a picture, so you take the picture. Any screenshot. Okay, student. Now, I erase this question and we write number 3. Okay. Number 3. What is the number 3? When does water change its form? When does water change its form? Question mark is here. Put here question mark. Okay. When does water change its form? When does water change its form? If we cool the water, or if we heat the water, or freeze the water, that time water change their form. If we boil the water, water change into the water vapor. By the heating, we change the water in the vapor. By the cooling, we change the water into ice. Clear? So write the answer of this question. Water changes its form due to change in temperature. If we change the temperature, means if we boil the water, तो we should change the temperature of the water. If we refresh the water, तो we automatically decrease the water. टेम्परेचर बढ़ाएंगे तो पानी गर्म होगा और डिक्रीज करेंगे, कम करेंगे तो पानी जमना शुरू हो जाएगा. क्लियर? तो वी शुड चेंज द टेम्परेचर, तो ऑटोमेटिकली वाटर चेंज देयर फॉर्म. एंड हाउ शुड यू चेंज द temperature of the water? Through the heating and through the cooling. Clear? So this is the answer of the question. Water changes its forms due to change in temperature. If we change the temperature, automatically the water changes its form. So this is the answer of the question number 3. Now write the question number 4. Why do cloths dry up faster when spread out in the sun? First you complete this number 3. If you want to take a picture, to take the picture. Water changes its forms due to change in temperature. How you spell temperature? Temperature. Temperature. Water changes its forms due to change in temperature. Write the 4th question. Why do cloths dry faster when spread out in the sun? This is the question. Why do cloths dry up faster when spread out in the sun? What is the answer of this question? When the cloths dried up in front of the sun, when we spread the cloths in front of the sun rays, the water that is present in the dried cloths, that water changes into the water vapor, and this vapor mixes with the air. Clear? In the presence of the sun rays, the water that is present in the dried cloths, it automatically changes into the water vapor and the water dried up. Clear? So write the answer of this question. For the answer, I erase the number 3 here. 4th question is here. We write the answer this side. Okay, student? But one line is here, so we will start the answer from here. Okay? Rest of the part we write this side. Write the answer. when we put out, when we put out wet cloths in the sun to dry to the water from the wet cloths changes into water vapor. This vapor mixes with air and are cloths cloths get dried up. This is the answer. What is the answer? When we put out wet cloths in sun to dry to the water from the wet cloths changes into water vapor. This vapor mixes with air and our cloths get dried up. Clear? Here the answer number 4 completed. If you want to take a picture, take a screenshot. When we put out wet cloths in sun to dry, to the water from the wet cloths changes into water vapor. This vapor mixes with air and our cloths get dried up. Now see the question number 5. What is given in the number 5? Page number 106. What is the water cycle? Question number 5. What is the water cycle? So write the question. What is water what is the water cycle? The continuous COM continuous circulation of water between the earth and the atmosphere. Is called the water cycle. This is the answer. The continuous circulation of water between the earth and the atmosphere. This is called water cycle. So answer of the fifth number is here. This continuous circulation of water between the earth and the atmosphere is called the water cycle. Now student, your fifth number completed here. We write two extra questions here. First is what is solution and the properties of the water. This is the extra question for you, but write in the space of number 6 and 7. Okay? Because 6 and 7 not given in the textbook, but this is the extra question. Fifth number only 5 questions given here, but we write two extra questions. Okay? So the question number 6 is, this is the extra question. What is the solution? What is the solution? What is the solution? Now the answer of this question is, what is the answer of this question? How you answer this question? A mixture of a mixture of a solid and liquid is called a solution. Is called a mixture of a solid and a liquid. Solid means sugar, salt, or any other thing. Okay? It mix in the liquid means water. Clear? The milk is also liquid, found in the liquid form. So if you add sugar in the milk, so it makes a solution. Clear? If you mix sugar in the water, it make a solution. If you mix salt in the water, it make a solution. Clear? Now, so this is the definition of the solution. A mixture of a solid and a liquid is called a solution. Now, if you want to write in a different form answer of this question, to write here water plus sugar, SUGAR, both are mixed, plus हो जाते हैं and make a solution. Now, what is the liquid here? Water is liquid. And now what is the solid form? Solid is salt and sugar. This is solid. Clear? Understand? What we want to say in this definition? A mixture of a solid and liquid is called a solution. The water and sugar comes together and make a solution of the sugar and water. Clear, student? This is the answer of the question number 3, and this is the extra question for you, not given in the textbook. So if you want to take a picture, to take it. Now next question is 7 number. Question number 7 is write any four properties of water. Write any four properties of water. Write the answer. Properties of water are. The one number is water is colorless. Now the second number is water has no taste. Water has no taste. Water has no smell. Water has no smell. Now the last is water has no shape. Of its own. Okay, so this is the answer number 7, and 6 and 7 is the extra question for you, not given in the textbook. Clear, student? Question number 6 and 7 is the extra question for you. This is not given in the textbook. 6 और 7 एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस हैं, ये आपको बुक में नहीं दिया है. Now 7 number is write any 4 properties of water. What is the quality of the water? First number is water is colorless. Water has no color. If you mix any color, the water take that color. Now the number 2, water has no taste. Yes. If you mix any object or any solid thing in the water, the water get taste like that. Okay? If you mix sugar, the taste of the water is sweet. Any sour thing in the water automatically give you taste. So now water has no smell, no any smell present in the water. Okay? Now water has no shape of its own. कोई भी shape नहीं होता है water का खुद का. If you pour water in the glass, तो automatically water take the shape of the glass. If you pour water in the any container or any drum or any small pot, किसी मटके में डालोगे तो मटके का शेप ले लेगा, ग्लास में डालेंगे तो ग्लास का शेप ले लेगा. तो वाटर का कोई अपना कोई शेप नहीं होता है. इस टेक शेप इट्स ओन ऑफ इट्स ओन, अपने आप ये अपना आकार बदल लेता है अकॉर्डिंग टू pot or any container. Clear? So this is the question answer of the chapter number 15. Student, our question finished here, but in the next lecture we write true and false and some match the column or any some other questions also. That is the extra question for you. Okay student, now I finish my lecture here because your question and answer completed here, but we write some extra question also, so we will write in the next lecture. Okay, so you should complete this thing in the textbook and also in the notebook. Okay, write date, chapter name and write in the clean and neat handwriting. Okay student, because after the some days your copy checking will be start in the school, but we will inform you, but for that you complete your writing part. आपको आपका writing part complete रखना है. Okay, I finish my lecture here and I hope you do well and you also revise the chapters at home and you follow the instruction whatever that your teacher given you and your parents told you. आपके मम्मी पापा जो कहते हैं वो भी आपको घर पे सुनना है. Okay, so I complete my lecture here. I hope you have not any difficulty related to this chapter. If you have any difficulty, make a call, contact with me. Okay, bye.